Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Vivomove Style, and I'm gonna show you how to change the time on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can wake it up by double tapping on the screen. After you wake up the screen, press and hold on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping left and right. On the screen, find the settings option, and once you find it, tap on it to enter. Now scroll through the menu, find the time option, and once you find it, tap on it, and here scroll through the menu, find the time source, tap on it, and from auto change it to manual, then tap on the manual option. And now, as you can see, we're being asked if we want to change the time, set the time. Tap on the check mark to confirm, and now we can change the time by swiping left and right on the screen. So we can change the hour, tap on it to select it, then minutes, tap on it to select it, and the time should be changed to the one you set. If you want to change it again, basically open the time menu again and scroll to the last option, tap on set time, and you can again change it if you want to. And once you're done changing your time, tap on the back icon, the arrow, to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.